Hi there, it's George here, and today I want to show you update on this orchid which I saved. You know, in the past I found an orchid in the yard of an apartment building, and I take it with me and made video. Then I save it, I put it with leaves in water. The orchid stayed in water for a long time, and then I made video how I planted in this bulk, in this pot, and that videos I will let in description the links. So if you didn't see, you just have to watch. So here is an update on my orchid, and it did recover well, and so happy about it. Now this orchid growing under artificial grow light, and we can notice the 4 leaves which was grow after I planted this orchid in the bulk, and the big leaves which stayed in water, as you can see the sign, and this stayed in water, and this too. And these are the new leaves, not very big, but in time they will grow more big. So this is the last which was grown 2 or 3 months ago, and growing awesome the root system. As you can see, this root system, it is just amazing how it did grow. And another one I can see there growing too, amazing growing. And I notice another root here growing. I will see how much will grow. Flower spike didn't grow it this year, but we will see how it will grow. But I don't want to know because it will be a surprise. And so looking this orchid in this day. Now we are in March 2022. So looking at the moment. Here I want to show you the roots, how looking just amazing growing in the bulk here. And I made holes in that time when I reported, you know. So hope you enjoyed my orchid which I saved. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. That means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to get notification when I posting new videos. And see you next time. Bye bye.